So, just a little share lang that I'd like to announce to everybody. Nipalita og quick release nga plates and base. Of course, this one has the plate and the quick release nga they call that the Yuka based UKA or Yuka, no, it's spelled like that. Okay, it's really good, no. I've been using one which I bought kani. This is the Ulanzi TT38. Oh, may nana siya. So good, it's very useful. Pinakagamit kayo. But medyo heavy lang siya, no. So I've decided ako put na small na tripod. This is from a brand called Anduer or Anduer, no. Tapos gipataptaran nako ani this is just a clip, no, a base that you screw over the top and you get to use it already, no. I want to test it, but the camera that I'm using is nakaangkla mismo sa ato ang base. So yeah, just a report that I have for everyone. This is one of my favorite products from Ulanzi, no. Tested. I've been using this, no, for quite some time already, and I'm so happy for this purchase. I bought this for roughly 800-ish pesos from Lazada, no. So na may mga discount and all that and stuff, no. Yeah, both of this, no, 800 pesos lang ni silang duha because it was a package. But if you buy this kanang alone, kaning base alone, I think it's around 300 to 400. And this one is around 400 plus, no, kaning the base plus the plate itself. So it's up to you, no? Just sharing my Lazada finds. I'm not sponsored or anything like that, pero I like this. Useful kayo, especially for photographers, for videographers nga would like to change their cameras to different nga mga positions. Ako I placed mine on the cage of my camera, one on the side and the other on the bottom, para I could just easily clip it when I want to have horizontal video and if I want long form mga videos, no, and also mga short form. So yeah, what a good purchase. Bye.